We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with the Brother MFC-L5900dw. So with this printer, there's a few things here that you can do. This guide right here, you can change it to legal or any other size paper. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that it's in the correct slot for that size of media that you're using. There's also this one right here. It does the same thing, like if you're trying to do labels or envelopes, anything like that. Alright. There's also these max level indicators. You never want to fill over that. If you do, it causes the paper to be too tight when the rollers try to pick it up, so therefore it's going to pick up more than one and cause a jam. So just be careful about that. Another good trick is, instead of taking your new paper and just putting it in your tray, a lot of times it's not completely even. So what you want to do is take your old paper and mix it with your new paper, like take it out of your tray, align it, and then we live in Oklahoma, so I like to fan out the paper, especially when humidity is high and there's a lot of condensation in the air. So fan it, then realign it again, stick it in the tray, and you should be good to go. If you're constantly seeing paper jams, it might be time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.